Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings immediately. Go to Hotkeys and locate player movement and attack options. Once there, change the attack move key to a button you can reach without moving your fingers, or a side mouse button works. Make sure attack move click is enabled if you prefer cursor-based targeting, because it removes the need to left-click after the command. Test in the practice tool to confirm the binding executes an auto attack on the nearest valid target. Once done, toggle attack move click on or off to match how you like to aim. Attack move click issues the attack at the cursor location, which changes microplay. You should also tweak camera lock and cursor settings so your clicks land where you expect, because inconsistent cursor input breaks kiting. Practice the sequence. Attack move, then immediately move. This teaches you timing for orb walking and managing target priority. Repeat until muscle memory makes the input second nature. Finish by refining through focus drills. Simulate trades and kite targets while using your new bind, because repetition reveals timing nuances. If you encounter missed attacks, make sure your mouse drivers and key rollover support simultaneous inputs. Rebind to another key if ghosting persists. Also verify no conflicting hotkeys exist. As a troubleshooting tip, if things break mid-game, switch to standard right-click targeting and retest in practice afterward. This preserves performance while you fix settings without costing the match.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.